Today I'm going to introduce this product to you, and why I believe it is a strong contender in the market. The EVO II Pro V3, Autel's flagship consumer drone, positioned as the leader in image quality and flight intelligence. Instead of trying to beat other drones at everything, Autel took a different approach. They focused on areas where they could clearly outperform: image quality, night shooting, flight performance, and user freedom. Let me walk you through the key advantages. Image quality is where EVO II Pro V3 really shines. It has a Sony 1-inch 20 megapixels CMOS sensor. The EVO II Pro V3 supports 6K 30fps video at 120 Mbps by trait. That's a real advantage for users who need post-production and crop flexibility. Two more things that really stand out. First, 12-bit DNG photos. That's 68.6 billion colors. For professional photographers and filmmakers, this is a huge difference in post-production. Second, adjustable aperture from f2.8 to f11. You can control depth of field. Most consumer drones have fixed apertures. You get what you get. With this, users can adapt to any lighting condition. Night shooting is also a great advantage. Autel developed something called Moonlight Algorithm 2.0. In near darkness, it automatically boosts ISO up to 44,000, while applying powerful noise reduction. The result is clean, bright, usable footage in same conditions, where other drones just see black. Meanwhile, other drones in video mode is significantly lower, and their noise performance at high ISO isn't as good. This is a huge selling point for public safety, night inspection, and creative filmmakers who shoot at night. Obstacle avoidance: 19 sensors including 12 visual sensors. That's more sensors than other drones, enabling 360 omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. It builds a 3D map in real time and plans paths automatically. Skylink 2.0 gives us 15 kilometers range, with tri-band frequency hopping 2.4 grams, 5.8 grams, and 900 megahertz. In crowded city environments, 3-band makes a real difference for signal stability. Autel have no forced updates. Try to imagine if you were in the middle of a project. Suddenly a pop-up window appeared. Please update. You can't afford unexpected change, right? With EVO II Pro V3, you decide when and if to update. Your workflow, your control. Better value. The Smart Controller SE is included. 4-inch OLED, 8-core processor, and 4-hour battery life. So if you ask me, why should I choose Autel? Here's my answer. Better image quality, 6000 video and 12-bit DNG adjustable aperture. Better night performance, Moonlight Algorithm 2.0 with ISO 44,000. Better freedom, no forced updates. Better value, 1-inch with 6000 sensor. Full obstacle avoidance and 15 kilometers transmission. Smart Controller SE all-in-one package for customers who prioritize image quality, night capability, and freedom. EVO II Pro V3 is the better choice, and often at a better price. So would you like to purchase this product? Please let me know in the comment.